So now we're down in the basement here of this beautiful little unit here, and we have found some potential for an added bedroom and bathroom. So this back part is an addition, so we had some higher height here. We got poured foundation walls, it's not leaking. We have some beautiful window space here, and we have direct access from the staircase. So this is a perfect place to add another bedroom and bathroom. So instead of converting that room upstairs like we showed you, we're actually going to build a bedroom and a bathroom here. So now we're going to have a 2-bed, 2-bath instead of a 2-bed, 1-bath, which I think is going to increase the rent and definitely the value. Now down here, we're going to be adding a subfloor so we can get the warmth up. We're going to be, framing out the walls, insulating to keep it nice and warm. We're going to be, as we said before, adding a whole 3-piece bathroom here. We're going to have a stand-in shower. We're going to have, new vanity, new toilet. So it's going to be an awesome setup. So now basically both bedrooms will have their own bathroom and their own shower facilities. Cost-wise, it was probably about a $20,000 addition, but that's definitely going to bring up the value and the refi, and it's going to make it way more rentability. Now, a few things you have to consider when you're doing this thing is, do you have the height? Well, here it's not super tall, but we meet the minimum height, so we're great there. Do we have a level floor? Yep, this is pretty good. As I said before, in addition, so we got some newer concrete here. Do we have access to plumbing? Yes, we do. Do we have access to electrical? Yes, we do. So why not? Now, above me, we're going to show you we have a bunch of asbestos wrap rad pipes. Now, that's something we don't want to deal with, so we're actually going to be doing an asbestos abatement here to remove all the asbestos from the basement. Now, that doesn't mean it's going to come out completely, because we're not going to tear out all the walls to get out the thing, but we're not going to have any access, and there's no risk to the tenants here. An asbestos abatement is also going to be done by professionals, going to have environmental testing, so this house is going to be safe for everybody. We actually have, 3 sets of tenants living in this place and 1 empty, so when we do this, we have to make sure coordination. They can't enter the basement. We're going to be putting negative air machines, all that fun jazz. The asbestos abatement on this property is going to cost about $7,500. But, in order to do what we want to do with this place, it was well worth the cost, because we're going to be replacing the heating system, which we'll show you shortly. So I think this is going to be an awesome value add. It's not a super difficult task. It's not part of another unit above, so we don't have to really worry about noise transfer. And, this happens to be the biggest unit of the place, so we had the ability to do this, so why not? We're going to show you the other side of the basement shortly. Now, that's more of the mechanical area. It's the old thing. We don't quite have the height, or, so we're actually going to be adding laundry to this unit as well. This fourplex right now is sharing laundry in the other side of the basement. So right now it's a complete shared laundry system. So you got a sharing. So we want to make this more of a premium unit to raise the rent. So we're going to add in-suite laundry, which is not a super difficult task and well worth the investment. So we're going to show you the next side.